Hey everyone, it's been a while. It's just been on the run for a while. Today I wasn't kind of feeling well, but got a little headache. So I traveled around and I came back right here, Miley Travel Center. This is where I hang out most of the time. Well, what I try to do today is I wanted to see if I see the floor I have. It's like carpet. I've been looking for a vacuum for a while, so I couldn't actually see anything. I went around searching for it. Let me see if I find anything. Oh, by the way, this little thing here, it's the switch. There's little lights up there. Look how neat. That looks nice. Blue is my favorite. That's blue. My radio's blue. My satellite radio is blue. So as you can see, the floor got pretty dirty. This is like carpet on the floor, just like your house. And like I said, I tried to find something. But when I was at one of the truck stops, I came across with one of the vacuums. I saw it, I wanted to buy it, but it was $39.99, and I didn't want to continue looking for it. It's too much money. So a couple of days ago when I was over at the Ohio station, I did find something. Well, this is what I found. It's called a Road Pro on the go. It's kind of funny, on the go living. It's kind of like me, Kenworth on the run. It's like I'm on the run always. Don't have a break. It's only nighttime break. And anyhow, so this is perfect. This goes with me, basically. See that? On the go. This is 12-volt, wet and dry canister vacuum. I gotta try this. Now the best part, the reason I bought this is because of this. 1200 RPMs. That's a heavy duty machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this box and I'm going to see how it works really. So here I got 12-volt canister. Plug it into the right there. Plug it in. Vacuum. Flexible hose. Let's take a look. How long is this hose? Okay, so here it is. Voltage 12, fuse 15 amps, the cord length 17 feet. That's the plug, the battery 7 feet, 17. The current 0 amps are 13 amps, 156 watts, which is not bad. That's pretty good. The flexible hose is 36 inches. That's 3 feet long. That's not bad at all. So I'm going to open up. Let's open up and check it out. What's going to happen? If it works good, I'm keeping it. If not, it's going back to the owner. Oh wow, this thing looks pretty heavy. This is not bad. That's a big cord. Nice.